Hello everyone, welcome to this series on literary terms and theories. And in this video, we are going to discuss Amphisbaenic rhyme. Introduction. Amphisbaenic rhyme, a term derived from Greek word Amphisbaenia, meaning a monster with a head at each end, represents a unique and rare poetic device. This type of rhyme, often referred to as backward rhyme, involves pairs of words that can be read in reverse order while still forming recognizable words. An example of this would be lyre and rail. Despite its rarity in poetry, Amphisbaenic rhyme offers intriguing possibilities for poets and readers alike, challenging conventional notions of rhyme and enhancing the text's aesthetic and structural complexity. Definition and origins. Etymology of Amphisbaenic. The term Amphisbaenic originates from the Greek mythological creature known as the Amphisbaenia, a serpent-like monster with a head at each end of its body. This creature symbolizes duality and reversibility, concepts that are foundational to understanding Amphisbaenic rhyme. The poetic device mirrors this mythological duality by creating rhymes that work both forward and backward. Concept of backward rhyme. Amphisbaenic rhyme or backward rhyme is defined by its ability to create pairs of words that maintain their rhyme even when the letters are reversed. This rare device goes beyond traditional rhyming schemes, which typically rely on similar sounds at the ends of words. Instead, it requires a more intricate and playful approach to word formation and selection. Examples of Amphisbaenic rhyme. Lyre, rail. One of the simplest and most illustrative examples of Amphisbaenic rhyme is the pair lyre and rail. When the letters of lyre are reversed, they form the word rail. This example highlights the fundamental characteristic of Amphisbaenic rhyme, the reversible nature of the rhyming words. Other examples. Although examples of Amphisbaenic rhyme are rare in poetry, other potential pairs include stest and deserts or evil and live. These pairs demonstrate the potential for creating meaningful and evocative rhymes through their device, albeit with some creativity and linguistic flexibility. Real poetry examples. Doppelganger by James Joyce. In this poem, Joyce uses Amphisbaenic rhyme subtly. The moon's a liar, said the man with the telescope's rail. Palindrome by John Updike. Updike's use of backward rhyme is evident in this playful line. In Eden, I saw stest amid the tempting deserts. Usage in poetry. Historical context. Amphisbaenic rhyme has seldom been used throughout the history of poetry, primarily due to its complexity and the challenge it presents to poets. However, its occasional appearance in poetic works serves as a testament to the ingenuity and creativity of poets willing to experiment with unconventional forms. Modern applications. In contemporary poetry, Amphisbaenic rhyme remains a rare but intriguing device. Poets who choose to employ it often do so to achieve specific artistic effect, such as emphasizing themes of duality, mirroring, or transformation. Its use can add a layer of depth and sophistication to a poem, inviting readers to engage more deeply with the text and its structure. Challenges and limitations. Complexity of construction. One of the primary challenges of using Amphisbaenic rhyme is the complexity involved in constructing rhyming pairs that maintain their integrity when reversed. This requires a high level of linguistic skill and creativity, making it less accessible device for many poets. Limited applicability. Due to its rarity and its specific conditions needed to create effective amphisbaenic rhymes, this device is not widely applicable across different poetic forms and themes. Its use is often limited to poems where the structure and theme specifically call for such an intricate rhyming scheme. Conclusion. Amphisbaenic rhyme, derived from the Greek mythological concept of the Amphisbaenia, represents a fascinating and rare poetic device. Its backward rhyme structure challenges conventional notions of rhyme and offers unique possibilities for poetic expression. While its complexity and limited applicability make it a rare choice for poets, its use can significantly enhance the aesthetic and thematic depth of a poem. As poets continue to explore and push the boundaries of linguistic creativity, amphisbaenic rhyme remains a testament to the endless possibilities of poetic form and expression. So this was the discussion on the term amphisbaenic rhyme. We will meet in the next video and discuss some other term. Until then, goodbye and thank you.